So is it legal for employers to deduct your wages if you made a defective product? Let's find out together. When is wage deduction actually allowed under Korean law? Well, a company can only deduct wages in the following situations. First, there needs to be a written agreement. The employee must have voluntarily signed a contract or agreement stating that wage deductions are allowed under specific conditions. Second, there must be a legal basis. The deduction is based on a court decision or is allowed by law, like for taxes, national pension, or insurance deductions. And third, transparent and accurate calculation is required. The employer has to explain clearly how the deduction was calculated, and it must be reasonable, not excessive. Article 43 of the Labor Standards Act says that wages shall be paid in full, directly to the worker, in cash, and on a regular basis. This means your salary must be paid completely and directly to you, unless there's a lawful reason not to. And a defective product is not automatically a valid reason for salary deduction. Even if an employee makes a mistake or produces a defective item, that alone is not enough reason to deduct from their salary. Unless all of the following are true, there is a penalty clause written in the employment contract, clearly stating that the employee is responsible for certain types of damage or mistakes. It has also been proven that the employee intentionally caused the defect or was grossly negligent, for example, by ignoring safety protocols or repeatedly making careless mistakes. And finally, the employer followed a fair process, like investigating the issue and properly notifying the employee in writing. So let's talk about some common mistakes employers make and what's just not allowed. Automatically deducting money for minor or honest mistakes like, say, one defective item. Yeah, that's not okay. Making deductions without written proof or the employee's consent? Also not allowed. And failing to provide a clear breakdown of the deduction, like, how the amount was even calculated. These practices are simply not legal under labor law. If your employer made an illegal wage deduction, you can absolutely get help. You can call the Labor Ministry hotline at 1350, and it's available in multiple languages. There are also foreign workers support centers. They can help explain your rights and even offer translation. And don't forget about the Labor Inspectorate. These are labor officers who investigate illegal practices. Here are a few tips to help protect yourself as a worker in Korea. Don't sign any agreement or deduction clause unless you totally understand it. If you need to, ask for help from a translator, a coworker, or a legal aid center. It's really important to keep records of your payslips and any deductions. And if your salary is reduced, be sure to demand an explanation in writing. Just a final reminder, you have rights under Korean law. If you feel something is unfair, you really don't have to stay silent. It's perfectly okay to ask questions, request clarification, and report any wrongdoing.